Need a 21mm socket. Loosen up all these lug nuts, remove the wheel. I've already got them broke loose and I'm just going to spin them off. Remove the caliper, 14mm socket. Now we need to remove this caliper bracket, 19mm sockets on the back side. Go ahead and remove the rotor. Remove this pin. Bar in here to stop this from turning, 1.25" socket. And these things are all full tight. I've had PB blaster sitting on it about 20 minutes. And basically you got to jump up and down on this to get this bolt to loosen up. $18mm deep well to remove those 4 bolts holding on the wheel bearing. And then to remove this, you just kind of pull towards you and hammer on it at the same time. Kind of hit the top, hit the sides, keep pulling and hammering, and it will come off. Then make sure you lube up the back side of your new wheel bearing and go ahead and reinstall. New lock nut, make sure you have thread locker inside there. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope this step-by-step video helped you out. I gave you some tips and tricks along the way to make the job a little bit easier, and I thank you for watching.